Hey guys, this is Coach Bill with Bill Mabry Online Coaching and also Team Alcavia Hydrogen Rich Water. Hope you guys are having a great warm day today here in the Winchester Valley area. We're going to be way up in the 105. So today's guys' topic is about a very powerful antioxidant, which I've been talking about for the last, I would say 15 years. And that molecule is known as hydrogen H2. And guys, you got to understand how powerful hydrogen H2 is as far as helping the body maintain a healthy environment and help fight off some of the most dangerous medical issues on our planet. And not enough people are talking about it, especially the health professionals. Doctors aren't going to talk about it. And I'm sure most of you have not heard anybody else talk about it except for me. And what's amazing about hydrogen H2 is the body actually naturally produces hydrogen H2 to protect itself from most of the major medical issues that are out there, the diseases, viruses, bacterial issues, things like that. But what is really amazing is that all of the hydrogen H2, 92% of it is made in the gut. And that is why it's so important to have a healthy gut. But today, guys, what's really sad is most of the American public today have unhealthy guts due to the standard American diet, due to the toxic chemicals and the chemicals that are in all your foods. And now they're learning that a lot of major medical issues that are being caused today is due to the toxic chemicals that are in your source of drinking water. And so the first line of defense, guys, most of you may not know this, but your first line of defense is going to be your gut. 80% of your immune system is in your gut. Your immune system is what's going to actually naturally protect you from many of these disease models, and that's including cancer. And that's why today most medical issues are at an escalated level because of most Americans having sick guts. But what's interesting is that in the gut, what's going to make it healthy is good gut bacteria, and because of your the types of foods you're eating, the time you're eating, and also the type of water you're drinking, most of you are drinking chemicals and toxic chemicals and chemicals that are in the food, and so it's killing off the good gut bacteria, also depressing your immune system, which is your natural line of defense to fight many of the diseases out there. And so there was a article, a scientific peer case study article published in the Journal of Science Direct, a recent one, which was in 2021, that talked about hydrogen H2 naturally being produced in the gut. That's in a healthy gut. And there's two particular bacteria that is actually producing the H2 that the body will use to fight off hydrogen or fight off those deadly medical issues. The problem is that these two bacteria are destroyed by the chemicals you're consuming on a daily basis, by the standard American diet because of toxic chemicals in them, and by the source water. And so your body is not naturally producing hydrogen H2 to fight off these diseases. The two bacteria make up 90% of the bacterial species in the human large intestines. That's what it says in the article. It also, one of them is 51% and the other one is 41%. And so when you've destroyed the bacteria, you're no longer able to fight off these diseases naturally with hydrogen H2. There's way over 1,000 peer scientific case studies proving that hydrogen H2 in hydrogen-rich water has beneficial effects on many of today's disease models, and that's including cancer. So hydrogen H2 must be important to the body if the body was designed to make it naturally to help it protect itself from these diseases. But because of the environmental toxins that we're consuming on a daily basis, we're destroying those two very important bacterials that are in our gut. So what's the solution? Well, the solution is pretty simple, guys. The solution is start eating pasture-raised, grass-finished meats, pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught fish, organic vegetables and fruits, and stay away from the standard American diet, and also stay away from the processed starchy foods. In other words, there's 3 things you must do. 3 things if you're looking to really have a healthy lifestyle, not only for yourself if you're an adult, but you need to start with your kids right now so they do not contract some kind of a major medical issue as they get older. Number 1, guys, you got to change the types of foods you're eating. Number 2, you got to change the time you're eating. Give your body a chance. See, your gut needs a chance to heal itself. And by you eating the standard American diet, which is 5, 6, 7 meals per day, you are not giving your gut a chance to heal itself. And so so you have to, what they call, do alternate intermittent fasting to give. That's the natural way the body not only helps to heal the gut, but it's also a very important natural way to put the body into a environment known as autophagy to help to detox the poisons out of your body. It's not using green drinks. It's not being on some kind of veggie detoxing diet. The body's natural detoxing mechanism internally is known as autophagy, and you have to do some length of fasting in order to naturally detox the body. And number 3, I've talked about this for the last 14 years. Guys, your water district's not telling you the truth about the poisons that are in the water you're drinking. You have to drink a source of water that a device is taking out 99% of the most dangerous toxic chemicals before it goes through the electrolysis process that actually produces hydrogen H2 and hydrogen-rich water, and you must bombard your body with the actual hydrogen H2 molecule, which is in hydrogen-rich water, when it's going through a device that's actually producing it. And not only drinking the hydrogen H2, but giving your body the ability to kill off the bad gut bacteria by changing your lifestyle and naturally producing hydrogen H2. Guys, hydrogen H2 and hydrogen-rich water has been on the planet since the beginning of time. Our ancestors drank this type of water. There's also different countries in this world that still has this hydrogen H2 in the water, but we don't here in the United States. Okay, guys? So, guys, that's why it's so important to understand and educate yourself on how important this molecule is. It's a very powerful antioxidant that helps to flush out the acidity of the body at the cellular level. It's a better way of hydrating yourself at the cellular level because you have a mechanism in each one of your cells that needs to be putting out healthy energy, and when you depress it, it not only depresses your lifestyle, but it depresses your health as well. You can go to Bill at billmabrycoaching.com. You can either email me your questions, or we can go on a free consultation and I can talk to you more about how important hydrogen H2 is for the gut and how you're naturally going to boost up your own immune system, which is designed to fight off these major diseases out there that is destroying the public here in the United States. And that's why most diseases are escalating because of your lifestyle and the standard American diet and the contamination that they're now finding in most source water that they're not telling you about, and they're not taking them out. You guys have a great day. We'll see you at the next video.